Dear children, good morning. Today we can share the second part of the second lesson, Map our Friend and Guide. Before entering the second part, we can memorize the important points that we share in the last class. Differences between a map and a globe. Language of maps. Different types of maps. Directions on a map. Okay children, now we will come to the remaining part of the lesson. Here we are discussing about scale on a map, colors on the map, signs and symbols on the map. First one, scale on a map. Page number 156. Scale on a map. Every map has to show how to measure the distance between two places shown on it. The scale helps us to study the map in a better way. For this, a scale is given in a corner of the map. For example, if the scale says 1 centimeter, it is equal to 100 kilometer. It means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 100 kilometer on the ground. There is another way to show the scale of a map. This is called a linear scale. A line drawn at the corner of a map is divided into equal parts. Look at the diagram. A is the starting point. It stands for 0. The distance between two points is shown as 100 kilometers. So, the distance from A to B on the map is equal to 100 kilometers on the ground. The distance from A to C is 200 kilometers and the distance from A to D is 300 kilometers and so on. Thus, with the help of the scale, we can measure the actual ground distance between two places. Colors on the map. Certain maps have different colors. The colors indicate the different landforms and water bodies. All maps follow a common color scheme. Blue color on the map indicates seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. Pale blue color shows shallow water bodies. Deep blue color indicates deep water bodies. Green color is used to show lowlands. Yellow and light brown colors show lands higher than the lowlands or plains. Deep brown color indicates highlands and mountains. At the corner of the map, a colored key is given. It mentions the depth or height from the sea level indicated by each color. The last one, signs and symbols on the map. Signs and symbols on the map. There are many signs and symbols used on the maps. The location of a city is marked by a circle. The boundaries of a place are shown by dashes and dots. A railway line is shown by a long line with small dashes across it. Some of the signs and symbols commonly used on maps are given below. As you understood the lesson, I am going ahead with the activities. Take page number 158. Activity 1. Choose the correct answer from the brackets and fill in the blanks. You can fill in the blanks by using a pencil in your textbook. The drawing of the earth on a flat surface is called a map. Blue color used on the map shows oceans. There are four main directions. The location of a city on a map is marked by a circle. A political map shows political boundaries. The next, answer the following questions. Roman number 4. You can write all these answers in your notebook. Question 1. What is a map? Answer. The drawing of the earth or a portion of it on a flat paper is called a map. Second one. Which are the four main directions? How do we identify them on a map? Answer. North, south, east and west. We can identify them by standing facing a map hanging on a wall. The top shows north, bottom shows south, right hand side shows east and left hand side shows west. Third question. What is known as the language of the map? Answer. The various signs, symbols and colors are used to show cities, rivers, etc. They are called the language of a map. Fourth question. Which are the various types of maps? Physical map, political map, climatic map, population map, vegetation map, transport map and commercial map. Fifth question. How can we measure the actual ground distance between two places shown on a map? Answer. With the help of the scale, we can measure the actual ground distance between two places. Last question. Why are various colors used on a map? Answer. The colors indicate the different landforms and water bodies. Now it is time for home assignment. Roman number 2, match the following, and Roman number 3, what are the following? Roman number 2, match the following, and Roman number 3, what are the following? You do it as a home assignment. Then next, answer the following, you write in the notebook and read the lesson 2 times. Match the following, what are the following? Answer the following, write in the notebook and read the lesson 2 times. So let us conclude today's class. Wait for the next class in the coming day. Stay safe at home. Thank you.